Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I am bringing you a special and super simple heart-shaped custard suji cake. No oven needed, but full of flavor and love. If you are a fan of soft, colorful cakes and want something easy yet festive, this recipe is going to be your new favorite. In a mixing bowl, add 1/3 cup curd, half cup sugar, 1/4 cup oil. Mix well until smooth. Now add 1 cup suji or semolina and half cup milk. Mix everything nicely and let it rest for 10 minutes. Suji is not just tasty but also rich in iron and easy to digest, great for kids and adults alike. After resting, add 1/4 cup custard powder, 1/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sift them all in. Always sift dry ingredients to make your cake lighter and fluffier. Then add 1/4 cup milk to adjust the consistency. Add 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 to 2 drops of yellow food color, and mix well to the batter. Take 3 tablespoons of chopped cherries and tutti frutti. Coat them with 1 teaspoon flour. This helps prevent them from sinking during baking. Now gently fold them into the batter. Finally, add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and give everything a good mix. Take a 6-inch heart-shaped mold, grease it with oil and line with baking paper. Pour the batter in and decorate the top with more cherries for that perfect festive look. Preheat a deep pan with a wire stand inside on medium-low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Place the mold carefully inside, cover with a lid and cook on medium-low heat for 30 to 35 minutes. Let the cake cool completely before demolding. Slice and serve this soft, colorful beauty with your loved ones. This cake is eggless and uses suji, perfect for a lighter dessert option. So how did you like today's sweet and colorful cake? If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment and share. And of course subscribe and follow to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more amazing recipes. Try this heart cake at home and let the sweetness do the talking. See you in the next delicious video. Till then, happy cooking!